Consider this, the past and the future. I mean, all your past you have some kind of memory of. For example, you may remember what you recorded in the last video, awesome or pretty cool or worth watching. You remember sitting down, you remember, getting up this morning, all these things are certain because they're in the past. The future's slightly different. I mean, you've got, for example, you might subscribe to this, you might not. You might get up, you might not. Who knows what's going to happen tomorrow or the day after? What kind of job you're going to do? It's all just inconceivable. And yet, there is one thing. What is the one thing you are certain of happening in the future and yet can never, ever prove?